Have you ever wondered what keeps us anchored to the Earth? Let's dive into the fascinating force of gravity. Gravity is a natural phenomenon that pulls objects toward each other. It's why we stay grounded instead of floating away. Every object with mass exerts a gravitational pull. This means that even tiny objects like this pencil have gravity. The strength of gravity depends on two things: the mass of the objects and how far apart they are from each other. For example, the Earth is massive, which means it has a strong gravitational pull that keeps the moon in orbit. Did you know that astronauts feel weightless in space? That's because they are in free fall, constantly falling toward Earth. Understanding gravity helps us comprehend how the universe works, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. But what if we could control it? Gravity is a fundamental force that shapes our universe, influencing everything from falling apples to the orbits of planets. Sir Isaac Newton was the first to describe gravity mathematically, revealing how it governs the movement of celestial bodies. Newton proposed that gravity is a force that acts at a distance, pulling objects toward each other based on their mass. Then comes Einstein, who revolutionized our understanding with his theory of general relativity, describing gravity as the curvature of space-time. In space, massive objects like stars warp the fabric of space, causing other objects to follow curved paths around them. Understanding gravity also led to the discovery of black holes, regions where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. The quest to control gravity isn't just science fiction. It could redefine our existence and exploration of the universe. Imagine if we could manipulate gravity like a video game controller, changing its effects at will. We could float freely, effortlessly gliding through the sky like a bird, unburdened by earthly ties. Transporting heavy objects would become easy, allowing us to move buildings or vehicles with a simple thought. Imagine advanced sports played in low or zero gravity, creating new dimensions of competition and entertainment. Controlling gravity could revolutionize architecture, as buildings could be designed to float or even rotate. We might explore distant planets, making space travel accessible to everyone, not just scientists. However, controlling gravity could present risks, leading us to consider the importance of responsibility in our innovations. Imagine a world where gravity is no longer an invisible force limiting our potential. What if we could manipulate it at will? Transport would transform profoundly, enabling cars that float above roads and aircraft with effortless ascents and descents. How might this change our commutes? In construction, gravity manipulation could help us build towering skyscrapers that defy current engineering limitations. What architectural wonders await us? Imagine sports and recreation taking on new dimensions, with players defying gravity, extraordinary jumps and flips. What new games might we invent? In science, we could explore celestial bodies and the universe like never before, conducting research in zero-gravity environments. What mysteries might we solve? Ultimately, controlling gravity could reshape our lives entirely, fostering creativity, innovation, and exploration.